These are some of the things the ladies of Untao, the group of Untao Women's Association, Raise and Shine, which they do. They make very many things, including bags, including wrappers, from different types of materials. And here we are making flowers. The lady, the chairperson, is trying to show us flowers, how they do make flowers out of the rubbish they get, including things from maize. They dry them and then they color them. After coloring them, they make flowers, and these are the flowers you're seeing here. They are made out of this stuff which is got from the maize, and she is going to show us this stuff are in different colors and they look really beautiful. There she's doing the flower. She's using the sticks and the maize which was dried, the maize leaves which was dried, and then she will come out with such a flower. It's really beautiful. It's really inspiring. These ladies are really working hard. They are really making everything possible to see that life goes on. Here we have different colors, and they come up with such a beautiful flower, as you can see it. We put them in different pots. Some of these pots, like this one, it's made by ladies, manual here. So we want, if you need anything beautiful, and there is this one which is really beautiful. It's also made out of beads, and they make them here.